In this video, I'll be looking at this Rythflo active noise cancelling headphones. The specific model here is the RY-WH04. They did send this in before review, but as always, that does not affect our opinion in any way. And you can see just kind of what the packaging looks like here. I think it's very cool packaging right at the start. It's kind of like a rainbowy reflective material, so definitely very cool packaging. Again, these are kind of active noise cancelling headphones. Not just the earbud part, but they actually have the wire and the kind of the neck brace and all that. So I think they're a little bit more for sport or traveling, but we'll just go ahead and open the packaging here and show you what they look like. Alright, so it looks like everything we have in the box is just the tray with the actual headphones themselves. Underneath here, it looks like some other ear tips. There are a few different sets here. There's some other ear tips here as well, so we'll open those up and check them out in a second. Then we also have a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging the headphones. It does look like they can kind of be connected to multiple devices at once, which is pretty cool. Of course, you can't use them simultaneously with multiple devices, but it says if you connect them to one device and to another device, you can turn off Bluetooth on the first device and they would just automatically connect to the second one. So that's pretty cool if you're going to be traveling like with your laptop and your phone or something like that. You can just turn off the Bluetooth on your phone, it will connect to your MacBook, and then do the opposite if you want to connect back. So definitely pretty cool to have that functionality. Looking closer at the headphones themselves, we can go ahead and take them out of this plastic part here. So you can see we do have this kind of neckband frame here. This is where all your controls are going to be. There's the active noise cancelling button, the volume up and down, as well as pausing music, answering calls, skipping songs, and all that. And then underneath that, we have the port for charging. This is going to be via USB-C. It has a nice little cover, so it's going to be kind of sweat resistant as well, but that's just going to be via USB-C, which is always good. No other controls on the other side here, but we do have a nice indication for the left and right, which is nice as well. And for the actual earbuds, they are pretty cool how they turn them on and off. They are connected magnetically, so if you have them connected like this, they're off, but if you go ahead and open them just like that, they will turn on automatically, which is pretty cool. Then when you turn them back off, you just connect them again like that. So that's definitely very cool. Not only is it to store them, but also just to kind of turn them on and off. So if you have them hanging around your neck, you take them off, put them down, and then they will automatically kind of connect together to stay in place, as well as turn off to save batteries. So that's definitely a pretty cool feature, but we'll go ahead and kind of get them all set up, use them for a while, and then share our feedback. Alright, so after using these headphones for a while, I am pretty happy with them. The pairing process was very easy. It's as simple as kind of separating the two earbuds. They will automatically go into pairing mode for the first time. Then just go into your phone's Bluetooth settings, select this device, and then they will be paired from then on out. Of course, from now on, they will automatically reconnect to your phone whenever Bluetooth is on, which makes them very convenient to use. The connecting and reconnecting process is also very fast, which I'm impressed with. So as you can see, as soon as I turn them on by separating them, they connect almost instantly to my phone. And when I connect them back together magnetically, they disconnect. So it's good this process is so fast because I'm guessing you'll be kind of separating them pretty often. If you're at the gym or something between workouts, you want to take a drink of water or whatever, you'll kind of take the earbuds out. They'll stick together magnetically and turn off. But then when you're ready to use them again, they connect back to your phone almost instantly. So definitely good to have that process be fast, and it is much faster than I was expecting. The controls on the side are also very nice and convenient to use as well. As I was saying, the middle button is to play and pause your music. We have the plus and minus buttons for adjusting volume. Then if you want to double tap the middle button, it will activate Siri. And holding down the volume button will either skip the song or go back one. The other button here is the A and C button. There are 3 different modes for this. There's a transparency mode, a normal mode, and an active noise cancelling mode. And you switch between each of these modes just by tapping that button.
Normal. ANC on.
Transparency mode will use the headphones and microphones to kind of let in some outside noise so you can engage in a conversation or kind of hear what's around you. The normal mode will essentially just be like a normal pair of headphones. Then of course the active noise cancelling mode will filter out outside noise. It doesn't do such a great job for conversations or kind of more dynamic noise, but that's pretty much the case for all active noise cancelling headphones. But for really static noise, if you're going to be like on a plane or a train or if there's a fan nearby or something, it does a surprisingly good job, I will say. It does kind of replace it with its own sort of white noise, I would say, but it's much quieter and much more pleasant to listen to, and that's if you have no music playing. But if you are playing music with the active noise cancelling on, it's almost like all static noise is cut out, which is awesome. I tested this by turning on a fan and just kind of standing in the same room as it, and I could not hear the fan at all, which is awesome. I did hear it when I got very close to the fan, but I would say it does a pretty good job of filtering out that sort of static noise. Again, if you're going to be at a gym and there's people talking or there's music playing or such, you might hear a little bit more of that, but I think the ANC mode is great if you're going to be traveling on a plane or something similar to that. And regarding the noise cancelling, I will say that sound quality is kind of dependent on which mode you're in. So it sounds the worst in transparency mode, which makes sense. It is kind of bringing in outside noise into the headphones, so it makes sense that your sound is a little bit more muddy, I would say. And then the noise cancelling mode is probably the second worst. It doesn't sound bad at all, I would say, but it just sounds a little bit less clear, of course. It is going to be filtering out noise and, kind of putting in some white noise and such into the headphones. So again, that makes sense that it's affecting sound quality. That will, of course, also depend on your environment. So like if you're on a plane, for sure, the noise cancelling mode being on is going to sound better than having it off. But if you're just sitting at home in a normal environment, you're probably going to want to use these on normal mode. The normal mode sound quality is definitely the best. It's still nothing that's going to blow you out of the water, but I would say it sounds pretty good overall. It's definitely good enough for most scenarios, and I think you're kind of buying these more for the convenience of wireless headphones and the sort of headband and the fitness aspect of them. So I don't think people are buying these for top of the line studio quality sound, but I will say it's definitely very good. They have some decent bass and you can still hear your music clearly, but I will say you lose a tiny bit on the highs and lows, but I think that's kind of to be expected. There's definitely a lot more going on here than just a normal pair of wireless earbuds. Of course, you have the whole back part that goes around your neck, but I would say it's still pretty comfortable, and having the extra security is pretty nice. If you want to take a break from listening to music, they do just kind of rest securely around your neck, which is nice. And having that extra security while you're running or even on a plane or something is also very welcome. I think the only real comparable alternative to this would be the sort of hook earbuds, but I will say this is a bit more comfortable than those, so it just kind of depends on what you're going for. But the whole setup is pretty lightweight, and the neck part gives you very easy access to your music controls. So overall, if you're in the market for this style of headphones, I would say they're pretty solid. The active noise cancelling is kind of a welcome surprise. I would say that's the best feature of these for sure. The form factor isn't for everyone, but you kind of know that getting into it, so assuming you're okay with the form factor, I would say they're pretty solid all around. The active noise cancelling works very well, the music controls are very easy to access, and it is cool that the earbuds magnetically stick together for storage, but also turning them on and off. They reconnect and disconnect very quickly, which just makes this a very convenient feature to have. So overall, there's not much I could really complain about. I would say this is a pretty solid set of earbuds, especially for people that exercise or travel often.